Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Paultre. Today we have an announcement to make. We have a free giveaway. We are giving away free virtual cooking class. We'll be doing it via Zoom. In order to qualify, you must subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below with your IG or Facebook. Once this video hit 100 likes, we'll pick a winner for this giveaway. Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Paultre. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so you could see more of these beautiful videos. Make sure you subscribe. Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Paultre. Today we actually have a ceviche, avocado ceviche, and we also gonna have some whole wheat toasted bread to serve with that. So first, basically the shrimp, you put it to boil in water. You put orange juice, salt, pepper, and then this is gonna be your final result. You don't want it to get cooked too hard, so it's pre-cooked. And second step, so literally we're gonna chop it. Rough chop your shrimp. It's an easy step, guys, nothing difficult. It's just ceviche with lime, salt, pepper to taste. If you want, you could put habanero. If you want, you could put Tabasco, whatever you prefer. And it's with tomato, cilantro, and then red onions. That's the basic. Salt and pepper as usual, just to taste. And some tomato, of course. Sure, everything you do, you got your mise en place ready. And this is my black pepper to taste. Salt to taste. And this is my hot pepper, that's what I use to give it that kick. And this is the lime juice, because that's what's gonna cook that's what's gonna finish the process of the shrimp. Make sure you put your hands, because the lime has seeds. You don't want the seeds to go in there. And this is, as you guys could see, this is the tomato, red onion, cilantro, and me, I add a little radish to it. That's my own kick, and I'm gonna add some avocado. Alright guys, I like to put some seasoning in it. I like to put some badilla to just give it a little more taste to it. It's up to you guys what you want to put in it, but stir it up real nice. Gotta taste the product. Basically, more lime like I predicted. I'm gonna use all my lime. The taste is wonderful. It just needs more acid. Okay, so some black pepper, and some salt. Me, I like to add a little, like, you know, extra virgin olive oil, a little bit, just to give it that a little flavor, and that's about it. Alright, so right now we have the product. Then the next step, it's the avocado.